nhanh thế. Hả? Hả? Ôi dồi. Trời hả? Trời ơi, nhanh chưa? Hả? Ôi dồi gì? Dơi. Hai nha. Trời ơi, dữ này. Đây này. À.
When the girl appeared, the kangaroo bounded with excitement and joy, each leap filled with anticipation. No matter what time Hooman gets back from school, Puddle Duck is still willing to wait for her all day. The man's cancer diagnosis in 2022 left him unable to care for his dog, but the news he's in remission helped him adopt her again. Doggy has never said it before, but we all know reunion is his greatest desire.
Just give her a minute. Ugly. Okay.
Baby girl.
Oh, there it is. There she goes. Oh.
Hugging was the only way this boy could express how much he missed her. Doggy's memory barely recognizes Papa because of 6 months apart, but his heart never forgets.
Dead serious, this is Figment. Kinder.
The tourists brought their baby to meet the orangutan. I bet the orangutan was thinking, oh, a mini me, without the opposable thumbs.
Only the little baby. So there is Sophia, only this Sophia.
Dumbo. Inigo che ti saluto Dumbo. Come stai? Come stai? Come stai, amore? Piccioloso mio, come stai? Oh, che caffè, anche te, ci
Doggy had nurtured his longing during the 4 months of separation, and now all that longing had paid off.
My nose.
Doggo's steps paused as if he were confirming everything. Since Doggy always dreams about this reunion, he needs to make sure he's not dreaming. Desire to see his humans as quickly as possible. Waiting all day doesn't make him tired. Cat is always thought to be a frigid friend, but she can silently wait in the dark to be the first one to greet Hooman.
okay? What happened to you? I went everywhere.
The airport is where most reunions happen. The soldier definitely misses his doggy every day.
And then the paint? She's set.
This horse never forgot the volunteer who saved him from the fire. Her kindness made him believe in the miracle of life.
I'll grab one.
It's okay.
I don't know how he ended up so far away, but
Hi, babe. Hi.
This lost puppy has had a hard time being alone out there. He probably still thinks this beautiful reunion is just a fantasy.
you're home, bud.
That college boy is surrounded not only by furry friends, but also by thousands of nostalgia and loves.
It's your cat.
Hey, kitty cat Sam.
Even though Kitty has been lost for 11 years, they still don't give up hope and find each other again.
Yes. It's long.
These kids are worried about their dad, and he doesn't know how much they've missed them during the past 2 months. Kitty just wished she had long legs so that she could run to her soulmate right away.
I told you.
Oscar. Where you at? Oscar.
Knowing that he'd been waiting for the lost cat for so long, God led the kitty back home.
We have pumpkin tonight.
From the very first second, the big boy knew that this was the one he'd been waiting for.
Come over here, Rocco. Come on. Oh, big boy. Keep coming. We might go to the corner.
Who is it? Look, who is that? It's your dad, Bubba. It's your dad.
When a cheetah's with a loved one, he's not called a wild animal, but a child.
Hi, guys. Tail. He's going from ears back.
Oh my God, my baby boy! Yes, come here, come here. Oh, yes, come here.
God heard her prayer to help her find her lost doggy. No matter what, the doggy still recognized his loved one. The century-old tortoise's slow steps could not hide his joyful heart after being rescued to be reunited with humans. This lost horse knew he would never be forgotten, and she proved him right.
Hi! I missed you. Are you a good boy? I think you are a good boy. Hi! I missed you.
Come back to these friends as often as you can. Have a nice day.